Welcome to day 26 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to share how you could run a after holiday sales and be added to the Etsy seller sales tab. Let me show you how it works. When you head over to Etsy.com, you're going to see that on the top left corner, they actually have a tab for after holiday sales. So these are actually stores that are participating on a sale, like a promotion, for after the holidays. So if you want to be incorporated in here with all of the sales, what you need to do is head over to your Etsy store, go on the back end on your dashboard, click on dashboard. From here, you're going to get the screen right here, and you're going to go to run a sale for your holiday inventory. From there, you're going to click on run a promotion. It's going to automatically take you to set up a sale. So obviously you could do this through marketing as well. From here, you're going to go ahead and set this up. You're going to put the discount amount, where is this offer valid, order minimum, sale duration, terms and condition, and then you're going to have your sales name, which is the coupon name, and then continue. And once you create this set up a sale, automatically you will be added to this particular tab here. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to do this for any holiday items that you want to put on sales, and thank you for watching.